Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider and this is the third part of this video series. In this video part we are going to learn about arithmetic operations which we can do in Ruby programming. In the last video we learned about variables and storing constant values in them. Alright. In this video part we are also going to use that some of the information we learned in the previous video. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch it. So let's take a scenario. Alright. Let's say we are making a Ruby application. We are designing its back end basically, and we are told that we are making a Ruby application for someone who is running a burger chain in his country, and he has like 100 different branches of his burger chain. Alright, and let's say he wants to control all of his sales. He wants to know all of the sales going on. He wants to keep track of every single sale which is happening on all the shops. Alright, so the guy wants to set up a one application for all his branches, and he wants to their customer the management team to, whenever one sale happens, you need to record it in the application. So this kind of thing is fairly complex. I'm just giving you this scenario because whenever you are dealing with large applications that have many uses like that, you definitely want to do some arithmetic operations along with many other things. Alright, so if someone sells 100 burgers, you want to multiply it with some value. You want to add the numbers, you want to subtract the numbers, subtract the expenses, all those kind of things. You need to do so many arithmetic. Alright, so that's why we need to learn arithmetic in Ruby. So let's do it. Let's create one simple variable. Let's call it burgers, and let's say 100 burgers, and let's say price of burger equals, let's say it's $1 to $99. Alright, and let's see, that's it. We want to learn arithmetic. Alright, we are not creating fancy application at this moment because we are just building the base, so we need to learn to do arithmetic. So how do we do it? First of all, we need to, let's convert this to, let's use 3 because there is some conversions between the numbers, so I don't want you to indulge into that at this moment. So let's calculate the total value, total sale, total value. You can name this variable anything you want. Alright, burgers multiplied by price of burger. Now what this statement will do, this will take this amount which is held by this variable, and it will take this amount which is held by this variable and multiply both of these amounts, and it will store the resulting value in this variable which we can display. So what's total value? Save that, come in the terminal, Ruby main.rb, and there you see $300 basically. So that's how you do arithmetic. You take some variables, some other variables, and you multiply them. You can also add two numbers. You can also subtract one number from another number. You can make complex formulas. You can do division. You can find modulus. You can calculate powers. So many things, so many arithmetic operations which you can do. So let's do some arithmetic operations. Let's say we want one variable that contains number 10 for some reason, and we have another variable that contains number 20, and we need to find we have a formula that squares both numbers and adds them together, and we have this formula from somewhere. Some math wizard gave us this formula, and he wants us to make an app that does that job basically. So let's see, we make another variable and we take a times a and plus b times b, and now puts x and save that. Come here, ruby main.rb, and there you have it. That formula which we created there, it calculates everything and shows us a result instantly. So that's the power of Ruby arithmetic operations. Alright, now let's do a square minus b square. It's that simple. Ruby main.rb minus 300. So there you have it. Alright, doing arithmetic is simple as that. You just need to store constant values in variables, and then do any arithmetic operation which you want to do with those variables. You can do addition. If you want to do addition, you will use plus. If you want to do subtraction, you will do minus. If you want to do division, you can do like that. If you want to do modulus, then you will do percentage sign, and just like that these arithmetic operations work. So this was pretty simple video tutorial in which you learned how to do arithmetic operations in Ruby programming language. And please like my video, share it with your friends. If they are learning Ruby, they might find it helpful. So stay tuned and see you next time.